Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want whiter and cleaner teeth without the use of fluoride, then you're gonna love this toothpaste that I got from Mouthology. Something that sets us apart from other brands is that it has 10% Nano Hydroxyapatite. That makes me so excited because that is the optimal amount that is recommended by scientists to have in your toothpaste for the most effective results. Now, what I've noticed since using this is that my teeth feel so clean, like seriously. They feel like I just got them cleaned at the dentist, and I have extremely sensitive gums. This doesn't bother my gums at all. Of course, I got the 3-pack because I don't want to run out of this toothpaste, and I would recommend that you get the 3-pack too. On top of all those amazing benefits that you can get from using this, it actually tastes good, and the peppermint flavor isn't so strong that it makes my mouth feel numb and burnt. I think you're going to love this toothpaste as much as I have, and that's my point of view.